Hi guys, it's Barry Joyce here, and I want to shoot this video just to show you the power of this artificial intelligence dividend reward system called CapitaLIUM. Now, of course, with this being a dividend reward scheme, it does require some investment, which I'll show you in a moment. But just for signing up, you will receive a £10 bonus fee. But just before we show you all that, I just want to show you exactly what CapitaLIUM is. So here we're on the home page. So it's got all of the tabs there where you can just see how it works. I do encourage you to do your own due diligence. This is not a financial advice. This is just something that I've made a personal investment in and just want to show you how it works. So if you just click on the development scene there, so it'll go down. It tells you all about the stuff there. So again, you know, it's artificial intelligence, which, as you be probably fully aware, if you've never heard of artificial intelligence, you're missing the boat somewhere along the line. Now here it just asks, you've got your frequently asked questions, so do your due diligence, just work them through there. So basically it's telling you there, CapitaLIUM is an intelligent dividend system that rewards its contributors in an automated manner. So that means you're going to get rewards on an automated basis or automatically into your wallet. By joining the CapitaLIUM through the artificial formulas, you automatically participate in the private sale of the LIUM token and receive weekly dividends. So that is just in a nutshell what CapitaLIUM is. Again, just go through all of the questions, go through the home page and make sure that you're happy. But again, it doesn't cost you anything to sign up, so it may be just worth you signing up anyway, receive your $10, have a look around. If you're happy, then you may make to want to purchase. So what I'm going to do now is, using the link below the video, is just go to sign up. And I've already signed up, so here I am on the dashboard. And if I just scroll down the page on the dashboard, there you will see you are credited with 2,000 LIUM tokens valued at $10. Now, once you've created your account, you've done your due diligence, and you're considering to make an investment, then you're ready to do that. I've already done my due diligence, as I remember before, and I'm willing to make a little investment. And I'm just going to show you how it works. So what we need to do is just scroll down till you hit this section here. Now, what we have is you've got place deposit, acquire formula, and submit your withdrawals. And I'll come on to those a bit later. But firstly, I'm going to make a deposit. Now, what we need to do firstly is just click on here, place deposit. Now, once you get to this stage here, there are a number of different methods that you can make your deposit. So if you just come to where it says Bitcoin here, there'll be a drop-down box, and you have a number of different options to make your deposit. You've got Bitcoin, you've got your Tether using your TRC20 network, you've got Tron, Litecoin, Doge, Binance, your BNB, your Ethereum, then you've got your Tether using your ERC20, or your US stablecoin using your ERC20 again. So if you're going to use one of your tethers, please make sure that you use the right network, otherwise your funds will not be received. But let me just show you for the investment. So for here, look, what we're going to do firstly is select Bitcoin, and you've got three different payments: safe, moderate, strong. So your minimum is your safe. So if you're going to deposit in Bitcoin, at the moment of this video, it's 0.0025. All I'm going to do is just copy that, and I'm going to get the exact price and show you. So what I'm going to do is just join over to CoinDesk, and I'm just going to convert this price in Bitcoin here, just to see what it's valued at this moment in time. So here we are on CoinDesk. I'll just scroll down, and I'm just going to paste that in. So at the moment of the time of this video, 0.0025 Bitcoin is approximately 56, almost nearly 57, 77 US dollar. And that's the time of this video. So I'm just going to go back over to CapitaLIUM, and just want to show you there. So the minimum there, so it's approximately $77. Now, if you are going to pay with your tether using your TRC20. Look, the safe, moderate, and strong, it's a minimum of $100. Okay, so $100 is your minimum if you're going to be using your tether. So please just bear that one in mind. Then you've got Tron. So a minimum is 1,000 Trons. So let me have a look at that. Let me see if there is a price on the Tron. I'm not sure if this will come up. Doesn't look like it. Tron TRX. Okay, just to show you, let me go onto CoinMarketCap and let's just scroll down and just find Tron. Okay, so the price of Tron at this moment of this video is 0.07. So we'll go to the converter. So as you can see there, that's in Great British Pounds. So if I go into US dollar, so it's approximately $75 at the moment of this video. So you can see where I'm coming from with that. So, you know, you don't have to do the $100. You could, you know, just try yourself with the 60, 70 odd dollars at this moment. So I'm just going to go back and I'm heading back over to CapitaLIUM, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to invest a Litecoin. So as you can see here, safe is one Litecoin. So I'm just going to go and just do the minimum with this. So I'm going to invest one Litecoin. So if I come back over to here, let's just see what the price of Litecoin is at the moment of this video. So one Litecoin, it's approximately $100. So I'm just going to invest. So it's give or take again the odd cents, but you can see where I was coming from with the prices before. So now I'm just going to invest one Litecoin. So from here, all you need to then do, once you've selected whatever payment method you're going to use, is select continue, which will take you to the next stage. And here is your deposit address. So what you need to do is just copy this. And then what we need to do is head over to where you're going to make your withdrawals from. In my case, I'm going to go to Crankin. Okay. And just need to put in the withdrawal address. So just making sure it's the correct address. And just bear in mind that there will be a fee here. So although it does say one Litecoin that I'm going to transfer over, you'll see how much in a moment if I just scroll down exactly. So that's going to cost me like 0.02 of a Litecoin. So it's not going to be the whole lot. So I'm just going to make that to 1.01 and then click withdraw. And that is it, withdrawal successfully. Now all we need to do is just wait for confirmation for it hitting into our account in CapitaLIUM. Okay guys, so that is my deposit now has actually hit the account, or so the email tells me. So I've been automatically emailed by CapitaLIUM to say that the funds have made the account. So what we're now going to do is we're going to just head back over to our account and let's see if the funds have made it. Okay guys, so that's me now on the dashboard. As you can see, something's happening here because the real-time dividends is actually moving. Now, I've actually gone ahead and done something before I restarted this video, and I'll come on to that in a moment. But what we need to do is if we just scroll down, look, as you can see there, tokens have now gone up, and we are in now real-time dividend. So once that happens and you receive your email confirmation email from either your broker where you've withdrew your money or from CapitaLIUM, right, what you now have to do is go back over into your dashboard, scroll down, and here is where we place the deposit. Now what you have to do, and this is important, otherwise that is just not going to start earning you dividends, is we need to acquire a formula. So you just click on there, and again you've got your three options. So you've got your safe, your moderate, and your strong. So just bear in mind which one that you pick. So for me, what I did was I clicked on the safe, and then if you go back up to your currency, so whatever currency you actually deposited in, whether it's Bitcoin, Tether, or whatever it is. Mine was Litecoin, if you remember. So I just clicked on Litecoin, and then once I'd done that, is I clicked on here. So I made my investment for one, and I then just clicked select, and that was it. So I purchased formula. Okay, so once you've done that, then purchase formula, you're away, and that is it. So going back to the dashboard, this now is in real time, and that's my dividends now accumulating. So now let's just quickly have a look at some of the features that's on the page. And again, I strongly encourage you to do your own and make sure you fully understand them. But across along here, look, of course, we've got the dashboard, which we're on now. You've got settings, stats, data, support. This little bit here, you can change your colours, look, so you can go to green, you go to red. I'm just going to keep it as blue, and there's your log in and log out. So on the dashboard, we've already mentioned there, so in real time, there's your dividends just accumulating, your funds, you collect now, which I'm gonna cover in a moment, because this is a really cool feature where you can collect dividends every hour, which is good. And then you submit withdrawal. Again, we'll look at those in a moment. Here, you've got your positioning. So if you're going to start building, it'll tell you your team commissions 2.5. Your next position is the apprentice, where you can gain more commissions if you want to do that. If you're going to share with friends and family, then there's your referral link there. Send them PowerPoints, send them all the information you possibly can, and then that's it up there. And of course, you've got them at the bottom there, so you can set up your auto withdrawal, your compound, and your auto convert, which is all in here anyway. So what we'll do is I'll just scroll back up. If we go into settings, and again, this is what suits your business needs exactly, for you. And there's a few settings that you can enable or disable. It's entirely up to you. Now, they're all disabled on generic settings, so you would have to action these if you need be. So to enable your funds, your balance, this is your exchange settings. So if you wanted to just put all your exchange settings in the process end of each day, then you just make sure you select that yes, and whatever currency that you're going to choose, and then click save. For now, I'm just going to leave that off. Your auto withdrawal settings again, so if you automatically want to withdraw, I think the maximum withdrawal is actually $5. We'll look at that a bit later, but it's $5 as the minimum. So if you're going to enable that, again, just on the drop down, and whatever currency that you're going to select, I'm just going to keep that and save that. This one here, the auto compound settings now, I'm going to enable this actually, because this will just save me to keep going in and checking the withdrawals, which I'm going to show you in a moment. But for me, I'm just going to auto compound the settings. So what I'm going to do is just click save, and then yes. So that's successfully saved. So if I just scroll back down, look, you can see there, that's saved. And just scrolling down here, all of your crypto wallets addresses. I haven't updated any at this moment of this video, but I'm going to be doing that very, very soon. So you've got all your different types of wallets. You can use them all, or you can just have the selected ones that you want to make withdrawals in there. You've got your Google Authenticator. Again, I haven't got this set up, but I will be setting this up. And then you've got personal information. So your personal information there, again, you can change your password, so it'll tell you all the information there. And you do get regular updates from the platform, and it's always really good. But if you don't want the notifications, then all you would simply do is just click on stop the system to send in emails, and that would be it. So scrolling back up, them are the settings there. Now here you've got your stats, so all your stats again, as you can see there, the total active value, so the Litecoin that you just see me before invest in, it's there. So everything's all transparent, so you get your full reports, your full stats, and your full data. Again, you just go down, just read them through it. If you're going to have any referrals, they're going to be there. And then your data, exactly the same. So there's all your data. So you can check out all of your data uh, by micro searching there, or here, your results for data. So, there's the LIUM coins that was accumulated. There's the investment. There's the deposit, and all that type of thing there. So all your data is all there. So it's very, very transparent. Let's just quickly now go over to the dashboard. And I just want to quickly show you this bit now, because you can compound. You'll notice this has now changed to compound now. Now, before I set my auto compound, it did say withdraw now. So the withdrawal would have went into there. But all I'm now simply going to do is just compound it, because I want to just keep compounding and build up my my dividends in order to me to generate some extra rewards. So all I'm going to do is just compound. Yes. Now, as you can see there, successfully compound. That's gone back now to 0. And it's started to recompound. Now, you can do this every hour. So you can either compound it. If you don't want to compound it again, what you will then need to do, if you want to make the withdrawal, then you go back into your settings. Remember, going down, auto compound, you'll just change that to no, save your changes, and then rather than compounding it, you don't have to make your withdrawals. So I'm just coming quickly back down to there. So submit withdrawals. So if you want to make a withdrawal, remember, get your auto off there, and it'll tell you what you can withdraw. So whatever you compounded in there, it'll all be within there, and you can just make your withdrawal. So there's all of the compounding that I've done there. So I'm just compounding them all at this moment in time. But like I said, you can withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal is $5. So just heading back over there. So that's CapitaLIUM is in a nutshell. You've just seen me there. I will be monitoring. I'll share you some of the results at a bit later date. But as you can see, very, very transparent. A really good opportunity to start earning your dividends. Just keep compounding them every hour. Again, you can go onto the official channels. If you need support, then drop them a support ticket. I actually dropped them a support ticket. I was stuck on something when I made my deposit, and they replied within about 3 or 4 hours. So the company's very transparent. So please, again, just remind yourself that this is not financial advice. This is just something as a personal thing for me that I've invested in. And if you're willing to do so, then click the link below, and all the details are there. And if you have any further questions, then feel free to reach out to me.